How to connect Cybersource to Shopify. Here's how to connect Cybersource to your Shopify store, fast and simple. Open your Shopify admin, go to Settings Payments, scroll down to Third-Party Providers, and search for Cybersource. Click Activate and install the app. You'll be redirected to the Cybersource Business Center. Log in with your merchant account and accept the onboarding terms. Back inside Shopify, open the Cybersource settings. Enter your merchant ID, transaction key, and select the card types you want to accept. If your business requires strong customer authentication, paste in your 3DS API key, org unit, and identifier. Switch between sandbox mode for testing or live mode when you're ready to go live. Save your settings and run a quick test payment to make sure everything works. And that's it. Cybersource is now connected to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.